Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to leave shots on your group shots on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on your group, now click here, and now here click leave shots, and you can choose admin or leave group. That's it. That's how to leave shots on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.